here's how you can do TURNALI'S quest in Crimson Desert. Now upon first meeting TURNALI right here, he should give you the quest of trying to get 3 fine timbers from him, and he should give you an axe to cut some trees along with you. Now, there are 2 ways of getting the quest. Once again, either through approaching him here, or you can get the quest by going over to the notice board right here, and as you can see, you can find TURNALI'S poster right here. Both this poster and approaching him outright should just give you the same quest. Now, all you really need to do is go over to your inventory, hover your mouse over to the logging axe, and then press space. Now to find the forest, just outside of the smithy, go left, right down here, and then once you've gone down the road, go to your right, and you should be able to see some trees right there ahead. Alright, once you've seen a tree that you can cut, press F2 on your keyboard, hover your mouse over to the logging axe, and then release it. And your character should equip the axe. Now all you have to do is press Ctrl and then left click. It should take about 3 swings to fully cut this tree down. You can see. And then strike it again 3 more times. And it should come up as these smaller bundles. Now strike it again. And you should be able to find fine timber or just normal timber. But what you really need is a fine timber to give to TURNALI. So try to get some more. Here we are. Once you got all 3, go back to TURNALI and turn in the quest. Alright, once you've got back to TURNALI, press Ctrl and as you can see on the bottom right, it says hand over. And now you've turned over the quest. And that's pretty much about it on how to do TURNALI'S quest in Crimson Desert.